Hello, hello, hello. This is George of Coatings by the Bay, your local new car ceramic coating expert. And today we have wrapped up this brand new 2025 BMW M5. And she is looking beautiful head to toe. Another full exterior, full interior coating. So the rims are done. Plastics like the headlights and taillights are done. Glass is coated, carbon fibers coated. It's a 5-year coating on the full exterior. And we look inside, and as always, nice deep sheen provided by the coating. Non-greasy, like I always show you. Just a nice deep sheen, seals in the natural oils of the plastics and leather. Keeps it looking beautiful for years to come. So if you recently bought a new BMW or any other new car, I'd love to talk to you. Again, my name is George. You can text me anytime at 920-659-0023. We serve the entire state of Wisconsin. Our studio is based in Grand Chute, Appleton area, but we offer mobile service. So we go down by Madison, Milwaukee all the time to do installations. We go up past Green Bay to Swamico, do installations up there. So if you have a garage with basic water and power, we can come to you anywhere in the state. Otherwise, I hope to see you at the studio soon. Have a good one.